So on regular days, I don't use foundation. I just cover my problematic area and I just go with the flow. I'm going to use foundation at all. I'm just concealing my dark circle and pimple mark and little bit here. Okay, so before this I've done my skincare. If you're by any chance interested to know what kind of skincare products I use before makeup, you can check the description box. Okay, so let me blend this. So I have blended my concealer. So I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. I'm taking this Etude House Brow Definer. It's a decent definer, cheap and best. I'll just run over my brows. No, can you believe I've never done my eyebrows, upper lip in parlor in the last more than a year? Then how it is neat? To know how it is, you have to click this video above the screen, somewhere here. You can watch and find out how I take out my facial hair. Back they have a spoolie. So let's do the other side as well. So I know during this Nykaa pink sale I got a few products, so I'm going to try in front of you guys to see how they work. And I've got this K Beauty's contour stick. This is in the shade Cocoa Focus, some name. Okay, fine. So I got this in Nykaa pink sale. Let's see how this works. Okay. Okay, this looks like their eye pencil, eye crayons. Okay, let me try. Oh, so creamy, highly pigmented, guys. So creamy. Just look at that. Okay. Okay. As we don't have foundation, we shouldn't put too much of contour product. It will look more evident. So let's blend this now. Okay, this is blending also well. Just look at it. K by Katrina's contour stick is really good, guys. I'm so happy with my purchase. See, it has blend really well. If you're wearing good coverage foundation, this is going to work even more better, I think. So yeah, ELF small travel friendly palette, guys. Very nice. So look at the shade now. I think I got it for rupees 350. Just look. Wow, no, it's nice. You can do smoky eyes, brown smoky eye, black smoky eye. Everything is there. You can even use as a contour thing. You can use this as a highlighter. Such a travel friendly. You can just put it on your bag and you can go. So let's do little bit of shadow work. To say depth for your eyes. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm taking this lighter shade, okay, first, and putting it all over my lid. And taking the darker shade and trying to put it on the edges and blending it inside. Little bit of depth. I'm taking the darker shade again and putting it on my lower lash line, little bit. My eyes are very small, so if I do this little steps, no, my eyes look little bigger. Nykaa Pink Sale. This is from Flower Beauty Barrier Mascara. I've been eyeing on this mascara from so long, so I'm going to try in front of you guys. I just took out the package, okay? So, okay. Oh. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, really? Okay, wait guys, wait, I'm just showing to you, okay? Look at that. Let me come even more closer. Look at this flash and look at this. Okay. Look at that lash, guys. It has made it so dramatic, so lengthy. Just see that. Wow, I'm just going to give this 10 on 10. No doubt. Oh my god. I'm so happy the products that I got from Nykaa Pink Sale didn't go for waste. Wow. I highly recommend if you're planning to buy something, new mascara, please try this, okay? This is from Flower Beauty, L'Oreal, and this is from their, Color Rich Matte range, okay? Color Rich Matte range. This is number 288 Mont Blanc. Use the same for my blush. Look at that. So for the highlighting purpose, I'm going to use their this shade, okay? Let's see. Okay, look at that. Nice, now so travel friendly. You can just multi-purpose with it. So we are done with my regular makeup. So 1 second, wait. Ta-da! Alright, so this is how I get ready whenever I'm filming a video or if I'm just going out casually. This is how I get ready, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like my hair and want to know what kind of styling I did, what product I used, but the product I use to straighten my hair is amazing. Finally I found the product, guys. After using so many products, wasting so much money, I have found my product. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. If you want to know what are the products I've used in this video, please check out the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and click that bell icon as well. So see you soon. Bye bye.